Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and then in today's wonderful tutorial, we learn about how to make queries, right? How to select from our database. So in the previous tutorial, we learned how to connect to a database, and then we learned how to create and then insert a table, and then insert data into a table. Now we learn how to select from a table, how to read from a table, how to make queries from it. So first of all, we learned that the first command was this dot execute. It was used to update, insert, and then do all those manipulations. Now we'll be learning about a new command which is going to be query, and then that is what we're going to make queries to our database to be able to select with it, right? So it takes two arguments with db for this database, and then the normal one, so select. So we are going to be selecting everything there, so from our table which was called workers. So perfect, that's selected everything there for us, which is quite useful again. So now if you want to be specific, to select something from a specific place, you can just use the same thing of SQLite dot query, then db. So let's say we want to select something like, let's say name, right? Name corpus. So it's going to go with select. That's what we want to select. Then select name from workers, right? That is one way. So I want to select name from workers, so it's going to only select the name for us. So that is selecting only the name. So if I want to add more functions to it, I can be more specific and make it like select names from workers where, let's say the name is where the age is equal to, let's say 26. We're going to only select coffee, which is only this one, right? Nice. So that is how to make queries from it. Now again, with this same thing, we can be able to do several things. So let's see how we're going to update our data, right? Update our data. So we had this age as 2. So let's do another query. So it's going to be like this, right? So select name from workers where age is equal to 2. So we had John. So John, 2 years old, cannot work. So we want to update that data. So how do you do it? It's going to be like SQLite dot execute, because it's part of the data manipulation. Then db. Then we're going to make it like update the table. What table do you want to update? You want to update a table called workers, right? And then we are going to set, the set is going to be where it's going to make the change. So set the value that we want is age is equal to 20, or let's make it 20, right? 20. And then that is what it's going to do. We're going to update workers, then we're going to set the age of that workers to. I'm going to be specific and make it like where the name is equal to John. So now it has worked perfectly. So if I want to check if it actually worked, I can just use the same thing and then make it work again, instead of making it as, I'm going to make it as, so that now it's working perfectly. So that is one way of updating our data. Right, now let's see how to delete our data. Let's say we want to delete something from it. So how do you do that? You just go the same format of SQLite dot execute bank, and then you're going to pass in our database. You're going to go with the delete. So the delete is going to be like this. So delete, and then from the table that you want, so delete from workers where, so the value, so where the value that you want to, so what do you want to delete? So something like this. So let's say we had our database like this, and we want to delete Vlad from it, right? Vlad, want to delete Vlad. We have too many sales managers, we want to delete them. So it's going to be like this. Delete from workers where name is equal to Vlad. Perfect. Now it's working perfectly, right? So it's actually deleted it from it. So if I refresh my data, can just use this one to read it, and I go back. See that there's no more Vlad here, right? Vlad is missing from our database from the browser. So we can just check again. SQLite dot query, and then db. We're going to select all from workers. Then see that there's no more Vlad. It's only up to 9. So that is the main thing that you can do with it. So thank you for watching. If you have any comment or contribution, you can just put inside the comment section so that everybody can benefit. And then there's also this book that can help you in starting with Julia, that is Beginning Julia Programming Language by Sadim Niga, who's a very great guy. Very nice book. So if you're interested, you can just check it out on Amazon. Okay, thank you, and then stay blessed. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again.